Hi, I'm Lisa from Shangri. Welcome back. Today is day 2, Energy Adventure. We're going to be talking about force today. Let's talk about what force is. It can be a push. It can be a pull. A force can even change directions.
Remember, force is a push, a pull. It can be a change in direction. So get ready, we have some experiments for you today.
All right, our first experiment, I want you to look inside your bag, and we're going to use your car and a piece of cardboard. And what I want to challenge you to do is to see how we can get the car to travel using force. First, you'll need a smooth surface, and then try to find a spot where you can have a starting point, the same starting point every time. So you're going to use force to pull the car back and release it. When it stops, I want you to mark where it stopped. You can use chalk, you can use a leaf like I'm using, a stick, a rock, anything to show where the car stopped with force. Now I want to challenge you to see if you can get the car to move even farther with force. We're going to take the cardboard out of the bag and use it as a ramp or an inclined plane. You can use a piece of board or even a cookie sheet. We're going to pull the car back and release it. Do you think it's going to go past our first marking? We'll see. Whoa! It went a lot farther. Did your car go faster with an inclined plane or ramp? It's the same thing as when you're going down a hill on your bicycle. You pick up speed. That's what force does sometimes. Now we're going to talk about centrifugal force. Can you say that? Centrifugal force. Centrifugal force is when force causes an object to go in a circle, like Kathleen's going to show you. That's pretty cool. It's kind of like a ride at a fair. Now I'm going to add water to the milk carton. I wonder if Kathleen will get wet. Ready? Whoa! The water stays in the carton. That's called centrifugal force. It's forcing the water to stay in. Oh, but if you slow down, watch what happens. She gets wet. Now feel free to do all kinds of different centrifugal force movements.
We've had an excellent adventure today exploring force. So get ready for your challenge. In your day 2 bag, there is a plane that is not put together. So it's up to you to figure out how it goes together and then use force to see how far it can fly. Whoa!
Today, you learned a lot about force. Remember, it's a push, pull, or it changes direction. In your day 2 bag, you will find your car, your ramp, and your milk carton so that you can try the centrifugal force experiment. I hope you enjoyed it, and may the forces be with you!